Hey, Mark, how you guys doing?
I'm doing well, thanks. So go ahead,
Great breakdown.
tell everybody what you do and how you use the tools and how. I mean, Vondell is not fairly new to the financial industry, but it's fairly new in trading and especially trading options, the SPY. So go ahead.
Yeah, so the tools have been excellent, right? I think the biggest thing I wanted to make sure to communicate to everyone is that if you have the opportunity to take the free trial and to spend some time with the tools, no matter how you trade in the markets, if you turn those tools on and you're watching the things that you typically would look at, you'll start to see how the tools can really help you perform in the markets. I actually posted a quick recap of what I saw this morning, very similar to what Travis saw as well. And we were, it looks like we were both able to take quite a few trades today against the top side resistance in the market. So it's just been really excellent. I know that without I've been trading for a long time, but coming here with Mark and with the group here, being able to actually day trade the SPY, that's been something that I've wanted to do for a long time. I didn't know if it would be achievable, but hanging around with this group and utilizing the tools has allowed me to gain some real consistency with that. So I just wanted to make sure that everyone, if you're thinking about it, take advantage of it. If you have a chance to get that free trial, make sure you do it. It's life changing.
Thank you. Hey, any tidbits on what you use, like when you use the SPY? Because like, let's say I put a SPY chart for you right now. Uh,
Yeah.
what are like your key favorite indicators on the tools if you do trade the SPY options?
Yeah, so if I'm trading the SPY, it's very similar to Travis. I also watch the SPX as well. But as far as the tools are concerned, I'm really focused in on the institutional zones, the support and resistance that we have, the short-term probability calculator box, and the VI. The thing that I posted from this morning, I detailed how I really used the VI this morning coming into the market. So if you go to the open of the market, Mark, if you kind of scroll back a little bit for people,
Okay. Which one do you want me to look
I
at?
trade off of the ES. The ES seems to give me a little bit more detail for me. I use the ES chart to trade the SPY, the
Oh,
ES 5 minute.
okay. I
Yeah,
didn't.
that's a good way to do it, Vondell.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay, there it is. All right, so right in the pre-market where the right, keep it right there. Yeah, so to the left of the open, you can see where the cloud is changing colors, going back and forth.
Yes.
Even before that, it's kind of making the zebra pattern, right? I call it a zebra pattern. It kind of warns me
I,
that I'm looking at chop. Yeah, go ahead.
that's a pinch. That's when it pinches. And when it pinches, it's trying to reverse. It's trying. Damn it. It's a
Right.
it's pinching here all the time. But here the back and forth, the, completely flat here, yeah, shows you the chop, right?
Yeah. Yeah, so that's something when I posted my video today in the Discord, I detailed how that chop was there and how I could see it. And you can actually turn the candles on and off and see it a little bit better, but I was really looking at the cloud. Yeah, I called it a zebra. I know that's funny. So I look out for that. And when the market opened up, I was expecting us to go back and forth a little bit. So when we came up to the institutional zones, right? When we hit the first one,
Here.
that yeah, right there, that also coincides with the VI
Yeah.
coming up to a resistance point on the VI,
Right.
right? And
Yes.
so what I waited for was a change of momentum there to get into the next candle on the chart and to also see the VI start to turn purple
Yeah.
right at the top of that. And I took an entry right there to ride that back down towards the open. We cracked down through the open. I waited for momentum to cut off a little bit. You can check the VI again, and you can see where the VI went from purple back to blue. As soon as it started to do that, I cut that first trade
What
for
did
for
you do then?
profit.
You take SPY puts? What did you do?
I took puts that time, and I was a little confident, so I took 10 puts.
Wow. Okay. And by the way, just to uh, stack what you just said, it would be interesting right now. You see, that's the beauty of no BS replay from, that's what I love from TradingView. You go here, you put the replay, you put the blue bar, so you put the blue bar where he says, just before what he says, and we can see what the calculator was showing as well. Right there. And then you put it like this, and you put play, and it's like a movie. What happened? And boom.
It's going to just touch the edge.
64% chance of success of the shot, and he completely rejected. See what I mean? And you don't see, but those rejections here, guys, that's like another one here around 11:45 a.m. at 68% chance of success to 70% chance of success, as we mentioned, was what did we say, 42 points, which is over $2,000 a contract. And so you can see it, you can like really see those beautiful synergies, guys. And you know, no matter what people tell you, you know, at the end of the day is, can the tools can help you in real environment and real trading? And these have over and over been tested with real money, blood and tears, and successes for the past 28 years, guys. Okay, this is born of knowing institutional tricks and refining everything that we've learned with real market. The one thing is to do beautiful things, but the second thing is beautiful trades, beautiful design that works in real market with real money.